Hey everyone, today we're going to be replacing the memory in this HP laptop. Here's the memory that we purchased online, and before we get into it, I'm going to show you exactly how you can look up the memory that you need for your laptop. So just in case you don't have this exact laptop, you can look up most memory in a laptop is very similar to this procedure. So I'm going to show you, go out to Crucial.com and show you how to look that up. Okay, open up a browser and point it to the Google machine and put Crucial.com in, and here's Crucial's website. And here you're going to select your computer manufacturer. In our case, ours was HP, and then the model number. And then hit search. And this tells you all of the memory options that model and computer is available. And it says it comes standard with 4 gig, which is what we had. And I'm going to upgrade to 8 gig. So I'm going to find the 8 gig, and this is the one that I want. So, and that's what we ended up buying. And like I said, I'll put the link in the description. So if you have exactly this model and this is exactly what you want, we can do that. Okay, so we're back and let's get started. All right, first thing you've got to do is we're going to take these 2 screws off here. Okay, and then there are a few more screws under these pieces right here. So these are my tools I use to work on computers and phones and stuff. So I will put a link in the description on where you can get some little tools like this. And so what we're going to attempt to do is pull this off and try to keep it from getting any dirt on it so we can re-stick those down after we're done here. I'm trying to lay them out so I know which one goes where. And the same with the screws. I always try to lay them out in the same order I take them off. That way I know exactly which screw goes where, just in case they're different sizes or lengths. Okay. Alright, that was the easy part. So now I'm actually going to open this up. And got on these little things, it looks like a guitar pick. We're just going to try to slide in under here. Just gently pry this up all around. Go slow, there's no need to rush. Just take it easy, it'll pop up. Okay. I think we may almost have it. So we'll close the top again. Gap here. Just want to make sure we And like I said, just keep going slow and eventually it'll all come off. All right, now I'm gonna set that to the side, and you can see right there is the memory. That's what we're going after. All you gotta do is pull those little plastic pieces out and it pops up just like that. So first thing, we're gonna open our 8 gig stick that we bought. Pull the 4 gig one out. That's what it looks like. And we slide. Oh, see, we've got to make sure it's going the right way. See, there's that notch right there. This is how I took out the old one. See, those notches don't line up, so I need to flip it around. Just like that. So we slide it in. And that is it. Push it down and you are done. Okay, so now we're going to put the case back on. And hopefully this will go on easier than it came off. Make sure that we got it all clipped in. Anywhere that's not, it should be flush, so just make sure flush with what you had. Alright, now here's the real test. We're going to boot this laptop up and make sure that it registers the new memory. Okay, now that we've confirmed that it indeed did register, we will put this all back together. It's pretty hard to these all line up with. We've got notches in them, so they all line up pretty good. And for the most part, I think that's still sticky. And we'll put these 2 places in. Alright, that is it. That's how to replace the memory on, well, this is an HP laptop, but this is pretty much the standard procedure for most laptops. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.